Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're going to go a little beyond the basics and learn 3 awesome new ways to say thank you in English. This is really going to make your conversation sound so much more natural.
Welcome to this mini lesson from the Real English podcast. We're here to help you improve your English in a really simple and effective way. So you ready? Let's dive right in. Okay, so let's get one thing straight. Saying thank you is great. It's polite, it's clear, everybody gets it. But if you really want to take your English to the next level, learning a few different phrases can make a huge difference in sounding more natural and fluent. I'm guessing for pretty much everyone listening, the answer is a big yes, right? Well, a huge part of sounding like a native speaker is knowing how to use different expressions for different situations. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. By the end of this quick lesson, you'll have 3 fantastic new phrases in your vocabulary all ready to go to show just how much you appreciate something. All right, let's jump into our first phrase. Now, this one is absolutely perfect for when someone does something really helpful for you. When they put in that little bit of extra effort. And here it is. I really appreciate it. Let's try saying that together, nice and slow. I really appreciate it. See how that word really adds so much punch? It just makes your gratitude sound so genuine and sincere. So you're going to pull this one out when someone's action was genuinely helpful and really meant something to you. It's a bit more formal, a little more heartfelt than just a quick thanks. Let me give you an example. Imagine you're working against the clock, you're on a deadline, and a coworker zips over that important report you needed, replying with, "Thanks for sending this. I really appreciate it." Well, that shows them you truly see and value what they did for you. Okay, moving on to phrase number 2. This one has a completely different feel. It's much more casual and it's perfect to use with your friends. Ready? It's, "I owe you one." Can you hear how short and friendly that is? "I owe you one." It's just got this really nice, relaxed vibe to it. This little phrase is so cool because it does 2 things at the same time. It says, thank you, but it also tells your friend that you'll return the favor one day. It's kind of like saying, hey, you helped me out, so I've got your back next time. Okay, here's a classic situation for this. Let's say your friend gives you a ride home from work. As you're hopping out of the car, you can just say, "Thanks so much for the ride. I owe you one." It's a little thing, but it's what really builds great friendships, All right, time for our third and final phrase. This one is for those really lovely moments that just kind of surprise you in the best way. And the phrase is, "That's so kind of you." You can just feel the warmth in that phrase, can't you? It's all about showing appreciation for someone's thoughtfulness. So the perfect time to use this is when someone does something nice for you, completely out of the blue, something you weren't expecting. They didn't have to do it, but they did, just out of the kindness of their heart. Here's a perfect example. You're super busy at your desk, totally focused, and a coworker just walks over and puts a hot cup of coffee right there for you. The perfect thing to say is, "Oh, wow, that's so kind of you." It shows you're genuinely surprised and really grateful. And there you have it, our 3 phrases. You did great. Now let's do a super quick recap, just to make sure they all stick in your mind. Okay, let's run through them one more time. Use "I really appreciate it" when someone does something really helpful. Go with "I owe you one" for those casual favors between friends. And for those sweet, unexpected gestures, "That's so kind of you" is perfect. The real secret here is matching the right phrase to the right moment. All right, now it's your turn. Here's a little challenge for you. Sometime this week, I want you to try using one of these new phrases in a real conversation. Seriously, practice is the absolute best way to build confidence. I know you can do it. And that's our lesson for today. Hey, if this was helpful for you, please show some support and hit that like button and subscribe for more lessons. Thanks so much for joining me.